Do you want to replace your mirrors with folding mirrors but don't want to spend a fortune? Well, let's take a look at the Kemi Moto Adventure mirrors and how these might be a good solution for you. Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. I have a problem with the mirrors on my Touareg, and it led me to purchasing some folding mirrors, and I went with the Kemi Moto mirrors. Now, real quick, this is not a sponsored video. I did pay for these myself. And the reason I did that is a couple of things. One is the mirrors on the Touareg have a compression fitting, and I had difficulty with the compression fitting holding the mirror in place. Once I banged these a couple of times and got them to swivel, I really had a hard time getting the compression fitting to hold them in place. All right, this is the mirror mount on the right side. You can see I've had wrenches on this trying to get it tightened up. Underneath here is the zip tie that is helping add some compression to it. And you can see here how the mirror has been spinning in this mount. So I'm just going to remove it from the bottom here and then put the new mirror on from here. So it really led me to look for alternative mirrors, and I didn't want to spend a fortune. I know double take mirrors are really popular, but the cost of those, and I haven't looked at it recently, it is anywhere from 3 to 4 times the cost of these Kemi Moto mirrors. Now, one of the things I like about these mirrors is that it is a aluminum mirror as opposed to plastic. The bar here is aluminum, and the mirror itself is plastic. I think you could use any ram mount ball mirror. So if I ever break the mirror, I can just throw any of the ram mount mirrors in there. And there's a lot of inexpensive options. Just playing with these a little bit, I can already tell that it doesn't require me to crank the nut here, the knob down, in order to get it to hold in place. But we'll try that out once I get them fit. So just to further explain what I had to do here in order to get these to fit, and why I haven't put the Kemi Moto mirrors on yet, is I had to jam a piece of zip tie down into the compression fitting and cranked it down in order to hold these where they're at. So last fall they were holding, but it is not ideal. So I'm going to go through the process of getting these mirrors installed just in case it's something you're interested in. It's pretty straightforward. There is additional fittings here, so it should be able to go on a variety of different bikes. I'm not sure. I think this probably has some reverse threads for bikes that have reverse thread mounts. Now, one last thing is another reason to do it, not just to have the adjustability, but when if the bike goes down awkwardly, it's less likely to break the perch in here. And since the perch is part of what holds your front brake on, if you were to break that, shear it off somehow, it could leave you in a bad situation. Now, I haven't had that happen. I haven't heard of that happening to anybody, but it is always a concern of mine, just some really awkward falls on rocks, hitting this at the wrong angle, maybe jamming it up, that it could potentially snap off your perch, and then your front brake is dangling, or you don't have clutch control. So I'll go through this. We'll get it installed. It should be pretty simple, and then we'll test it out and see how it works. Real quick, what you get in the box is you get the mirror, and you can see that this is made out of aluminum with the tightening knob here. Should be pretty straightforward, and then it has the mount. It also comes with these extra mounts here to fit the variety of different mirrors that are coming out there, what you're removing, and the mounts for those. And then if you don't have a mirror mount that you want to use, or you want to try to do something differently or put it in a different position, there are these bar clamps, so you have some options on what you want to do with your mirrors. I really don't see how I would use these. If I was to use these for anything, it might be to put a ball mount in here just for a camera, but it's available. The mount threaded right on, and it's really hard to see. There is a black nut right here that's used just to tighten it up, size 14. So after I got that threaded in, just tighten up that nut, and that's pretty much it. Now I just need to mount the mirror up. The one thing that's always going to be of interest when you add new mirrors is if vibration from the bike gets transmitted into the mirrors, and how well they hold up and what they do from wind buffeting. So that will be something that I really pay attention to when I get out and test these. So I will let you know how they turn out. Once I get the forks put back on the bike, we'll get these out and test them and see if how well I'm able to see around my shoulders and the vibration. All right, the mirror's blending in a little bit to the background because of the reflective nature of the pine trees and stuff, but they are here. And so I don't have a lot of miles on these right now, but I don't expect a lot to change. The clarity out of this glass is really, really good. And it doesn't shake any more than the stock mirrors do. So I'm really happy with that. The adjustments are incredibly easy. And I think for the price point, you can't beat it. And what I do like is that, you know, if you hit it, it's going to bend out of the way, no problem. And you're not going to end up breaking anything here. It's $40 or $45 for the whole set. So you can get replacement mirrors pretty inexpensively. So if you're looking to replace your stock mirrors and don't want to spend a fortune, I recommend these. Now I'll see how they hold up over the entire summer of riding, or the entire year, you know, with a lot of road riding, a lot of off-road riding, and see what they do. But bottom line is, I think there's a ton of value in these Kemi Moto Adventure mirrors, or folding mirrors. So spending $150, $125, $150, I don't think is worth it, in my opinion. So anyway, if you stuck around to the end, thanks. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. If you have used these mirrors before, let me know what your experience has been in the comments below as well. So remember, you can always make more money, but you cannot make more time. So get out and do that ride that you've been thinking about. Thanks for watching. Get out, do some riding, ride safe, and I will see you out there.